attention to the daily weather forecasts. According to a French proverb, snow in February promises a fine summer. I doubt if this could apply to the British climate, but it's a reassuring thought for we who suffer the uncertainty of snow one moment and a thaw the next. But in Scotland, snow came in real earnest. All traffic in the lowlands was brought to a standstill after the worst blizzard for 10 years. 10,000 miles of Scottish roads have been snowbound and many villages cut off. Dr. Kendall of Stirling tries out a new prescription to answer a call. And with the schoolhouse isolated, you needn't play hooky to have fun. Of course, winter sports have the professional touch on the continent. These are the European Toboggan Championships in Poland, on a snow track beaten into sheet ice. Careful, last corner. I should move back, you people in the front row.